Come look at this, my people. This is money. So let me show you guys how I'm going to trade crypto arbitrage. You can see my Binance balance right now here. Let me refresh it. You can see 32,575,726,000. All right, and more, all from trading crypto arbitrage on Trexbic.app. How do you trade? Let me show you. First step, guys, you need to create an account on Trexbic.app here. All right, it will redirect you to my Trexbic.com. You can see that, my Trexbic.com. And after that, guys, you go to P2P. Make sure you have USDT on your Binance, and then you go to P2P, click on buy. After you click on buy, guys, make sure you choose USDT here, and then make sure you choose the vendor that has at least 0.8. You can see this one has 0.8 here. So I'm going to click on buy on this vendor and then put amount, let's say 1,000. So you can see if I buy 1,000, I'm going to get a profit of 193. That's 1,193 in return. All right, and then click proceed and then pay and then confirm. Okay, and then you're going to be brought to a page where you will pay. Okay, so this is the payment page. As you can see, they have given me the vendor address here, and I can also text the vendor here. Okay, can just write a message to the vendor and say hi. Okay, and the vendor must reply, and you can see, just send the USD to the address in your screen and click I have paid. So the next step, I'll go to click on trade details. All right, let me use my pen. Let me use my pen so that I can do this very fast. So here we are. So the next step, I need to copy this address. You can see copied, and then I'll go back to my Binance and send the 1,000 that I'm buying. So I'll click on the USDT and click send, and then paste that address that here, the one I copied there. Right, and then click continue. Okay, and then guys, I'm going to put amount 1,000 like that, and then confirm. So now I'm going to put my passkey. I'll hide my passkey so that you don't see. Oh, I'm putting my passkey, so I'm going to hide it. And so guys, you can see the sending USDT has been sent. So you can see here it has been sent to the address that I copied. So the next step, I'll go back here and then click I have paid. Okay, so at this level, guys, you don't need to do anything. You just need to relax and wait for the trade to be confirmed automatically. As you can see here, it's monitoring blockchain for payment, and here it's still pending. So let's wait. All right, the trade is on escrow right now. Don't take long. You can see real money. Don't take long, guys. So let's wait and see. Just give it usually a few minutes, like 1 to 2 minutes. And here you can see the trade has been completed. So now you can see, now I'll click on done, and you can see my wallet has jumped to 1319. Now the next step, guys, to withdraw the money to your Binance. All right, and so guys, to withdraw back to your wallet, you just need to click on these 3 dots, and then you come to crypto wallet, and then you click on withdraw. Very nice. And you make sure you have enough TRX, at least 13 TRX. All right, so after you have 13 TRX here for fees, and then you put amount that you want to withdraw. For example, I made today 1,000, I think 1,131. So I'm going to put it here, 1,131. That's a profit of 131. I don't know whether it was that, guys. And you can see the fee is 39, and now I'm going to receive 1091. That's a profit of 91 USDT in just a few minutes. And then continue. Here, guys, now you need to put your address, the receiving address from your Binance. So I'll go on Binance here, and then I'll go choose USDT, receive, and then receive tokens, and then copy this address. Copy the address like that, and then go back to here, and then long press and paste it here. Paste, then paste again, same address, and then click review. And now you can see they have sent me a verification code to my email. So I'll go back to my email and refresh. I will refresh for the verification code. If the verification code doesn't come, guys, you check on your spam box. So if the verification code is always not here, just go to spam. Sometime it can go here, and then you can see the email is here. This is the verification code. And also remember to mark this as not spam, so just move it to primary. All right, okay. So the verification code is here. I'll copy it, and then next I'll move it here and paste that verification code like that, and then confirm. Okay, it's very easy like that, guys. As you can see, all these my withdrawals that I've been doing since it shows only for the last few days. So yeah, and you can see here the withdrawal is now broadcasting. There it is, real time. I'm recording this with my phone, guys, so nobody can say that this is fake. And you can see they have given me a Tron scan here, so I can click and view the withdrawal on the blockchain. Let's see whether it's going or not. It's not good loading. Let me refresh. There, you can see it's successful already here. So it's now confirming within 11 blocks, and it will be on my wallet. You can see it's 1091. That's a profit of 91 USDT in just a few minutes. So let's wait it for it to confirm to my Binance account, and then I can sell to my M-Pesa, to my anything. And remember, guys, you can even use Ox, you can use Bybit, any exchange. I think it's already confirmed, guys. You can see here it's already completed, and I can go to my wallet right now. You can see my balance is now 188. I think I made a profit more than that, because before I had 121 here. So, and also remember, guys, you can also trade using spot trading on this app. Okay, you can also trade using AI bots. Trading AI bots are here. You can choose especially these Neuropulse AI. Okay, so yes, so let me check whether the deposit has come to my wallet, and I will refresh my wallet now, and here it is, guys. Here it is. You can see 1091 has been credited to my wallet, and that's how I made 91 USDT in profit in just a few minutes, guys. So if you have any question, just comment on my video, and I'll help you, or join my channel, like this video and share to others, so that they can also make passive income from home. See you again in my next video. Cheers.